guys, it's a typical day in the country. I'm right here in the backyard, and as you can see here guys, I have some chickens just grazing. Take a look at them right there. It's like a bunch of them. They just walked up in the backyard. I don't even know whose cows are these. They're just roaming freely. And as you can see, we have over there male calf. Both of them, in fact, both of them are male. You can tell by the small thing hanging down underneath there. And then we have some other ones way down the bottom. See? And that one is looking straight at me. He's saying like, what the hell this lady is doing? Just taking a picture of you, sir. That's it. Oh, big deal. As you can see, guys, we have some clothes and typical country. So guys, look, take a look at this dog trailing right behind me. The one who just pick the ticks off of all these cows. So we're pretty much following them everywhere. Look at it guys, 2 donkeys. Back in the days, reminder this. Look at, take a good look. Look at the Caribbean Sea. Nice nature. Grape tree, look at the goat.
Yep. All right.
Road trip, little beer. Yes. Little beer we say. A principal bridge snipe back there. Check it out. Nature, look at. You can't find this in a forest. This is guys, little beer cabin, nice guest house. If ever in Jamaica, this is the place to be. If you want to get away from the hustle and the bustle, check out this seafront property. The sea is right behind you. Nice location, close to the Jam West race. Guys, this is nice upstairs and downstairs cabin. Check this out. Everything what? Look at this guys, check out the area. Sea breeze in your face. Place to be if you want to get away from the hustle and the bustle. This is the place to be. What's the name of it, Princess? Close to the Jam West racetrack. Look at the beautiful sea you have over here. Where else you gonna get this other than Jamaica? Let's take a look. See this gorgeous. Look what you would have. You can stay right on your balcony and look out right into the Caribbean Sea. Princess, Princess. Yeah, it's nice. Yes, guys, you can find this in Little Bay. Right on the outskirts, close to Negril.
Then they have a little canoe where they can go.
Have your little kayak. You can do kayaking, snorkeling, or just pretty much just have a nice dip in the ocean. Look how pretty this looks. This is the grape tree, guys. Check it out. Grape. This is our grape, look. How nice this place is. We have the lawn chairs over here. Check this out, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice sun in the sky. Can't get it better than this. So beautiful. This is what it looks like, guys. Look at all these big rocks. I think we probably can find some crabs just chilling out under all these rocks. And if you listen carefully, you can hear the waves hitting this. So that sound you're hearing, guys, that's the wave. Caribbean. See gas man, yeah. See gas man, I come down here. You ever in Westmoreland and you need gas?
Prince.
Little London, all the surrounding area, gas man, principal. Yeah. So if you want to link up with principal, I'm gonna put his info in my description. So check out principal. Gas, where your business? Yes, I look good, man. Guys, as you can see, we're building another one right close to the beachfront. Over here, take a look at your waves, big waves coming in, and you call one as a cliff, right? Little Bay. What's the name of this place, please? Little Bay Cabin. You want nice, relaxed atmosphere, this is the place to be. Right down here in Little Bay. Little Bay Cabin, that's the name of this place. You close like 4 miles from the Jam West racetrack. And you like 6 miles from Negril. So you can either drive down or you can take a boat down. Look at this, guys. Come on now. Nice Caribbean Sea. Alright. If you look wide over here, they're putting in a nice jacuzzi pool. It's not finished yet. So this is what it looks like, guys. Out in the country. Away from the hustle and bustle. This is the place to be, Jamaica. Little Bay. Little Bay Club. Little Bay Cabin. Wow. If you look among these rocks, I'm pretty sure you can find kangaroo, you can find crab, you can find whelks, conch, you name it. So the sky is the limit with this place, guys. Check it out. This is what it looks like. Look at the bright sun shining down on us. Nice and serene atmosphere. These are the local, this is like a local fishing village.
Yeah, we don't want to fish.
If you want fish, if you're in Westmoreland on vacation, you need fish, this is the place to come. Brighton. So if, as you can see, this, we have all these canoes over here. Fishing boats. Who knows? You probably can't even convince one of the fishermen to take you on a ride out for a small fee. Can't go wrong, guys. This is country, the outskirt. Get away from the hustle and the bustle. As you can see, we have a fish pot right there. See? Fish pot. Wow, look at it. The grape tree is right here. And as you can see over there, we have like the God, I'm gonna have to rock. I don't know what to say about over.
Up on the rock.
See on the other side, guys, look at all rocks over there. and houses. You can find fruit trees over there like the sweet saps. All over, mango trees, fruit tree. You take a look over here, guys. Isn't that gorgeous? You can just come on down and just be free. Chuck off, take a dive in the water. No problem, man. Jamaica, no problem. This is your girl, Sonia, in Jamaica. Just chilling out with the fam. Principal. Prince, yeah? Yes, man. Anywhere you come Jamaica and you want guests, whether you know your Airbnb or whatever you need guests, check out Principal. I'm gonna leave his information in my description. 3-floor guest house. We're approaching 3-floor guest house, guys. It's over. Look to your right over there. Not finished yet, guys. This place is still developing. So this is what it looks like, guys.
Taking more guests.
So this is just a small village, Little Bay. No, Brighton. Just growing. Here we are. We have some guests. Going through, as you can see. We have guests. Just riding through. So it's in the works. It's developing. Still have a lot of work to be done. So just sit back and take a look at that beautiful Caribbean Sea, guys. Look at the water. It's like it's glistening over there. It's not gorgeous? Just picture yourself in Jamaica, chilling with a cocktail in your hand or a red stripe beer, just hanging out on those cliffs. Forget about the world. This can just take you into dreamland. So guys, like I said, this is just a simple road trip, and I decided to bring you guys along with me. Your girl Sonia is in her homeland, Jamaica. There's no place like Jamaica. Proud to be one too. Alright guys, we're still on the road. Take a good look. We have some goats here. You know curry goat? These are this is the animal. This is the goat over there, guys, feeding on the side of the road. See? That's where you get your good old curry goat from. So we're still on the local road. If you can see, this is nature. We have the trees.
No, hold up, sir. Hold up.
So guys, we're just cruising along. It's like a little tour in the local area. This is a small fishing village, Brighton, close to Negril. Brighton is like probably 4 miles out of Negril, close to the water. Here we are. As you can see, we have a lot of rocks, nice houses. We am seeing a breadfruit tree. Beautiful houses, breadfruit tree. I think you guys watch my video about roasting breadfruit. This is a tree here. The road needs some fixing, but that's okay. This is a country, guys. This is normal.
Blue hole.
Oh, here we go. The famous blue hole. As you can see. Yeah. Guys, look at this. Your girl Sonia is at this place named Blue Hole. This is what it looks like, guys. Look at it, guys. Sonia Williams is at Blue Hole, as you can see. This is Blue Hole Mineral Spring. It's right here down in Brighton, close to Negril, close to the Jam West. racetrack, and now we are entering through the gate. This is a very popular place.
Now where is
Over
Daddy?
here, this is Racetrack Mall. Peace, greatest,
One love.
one love. So we're going up.
Seen it?
So we are on our way up. This is very quiet, guys. This is on the outskirts.
Peaceful.
Very peaceful. Over
So
here.
see some kid there.
Come look. Guys, I see some small goat kids, call them kids. Right here on the street.
This is
Come on, guys, look. Take a look. Wow. Not close to them. Those are
now if you
small
come
goat
close,
kids
me just zoom up it.
just born, newborns. Wow, so this is such a nice place over there. Over here we have a bar.
Big huge giant pool.
Giant pool. Really hot. And just jump off in this water.
And one there.
A what?
Oh my god. See one bike there. 4-wheel. This one, see one 4-wheel.
Watch this guy. This guy's riding up the staircase. Somebody was supposed to know.
Derek.
Am I be sir?
I'm a big fan.
Yeah. I'm happy for real. How you doing? Oh, okay.
Brian, you come from?
Wow, where's everybody have? Hey, stop right there before you.
Nah, drop in there.
All right, guys. So this is what the blue hole look like. If you're ever in, this is Brighton, right?
Yeah.
If you're ever in Brighton, this is the place to be. Look how nice that is. So you can swim in the blue hole, and you can get thirsty. You get over there and you get your drink at the bar. We also have the nice pool over there. And look at that nice hot looking guest house. It's a gazebo. So there you go, guys. Gazebo up top. We have the pool down here. You have the blue hole here. You can't get it better than that. So come on down and enjoy. This is Brighton, close to West, close to Negril.
Yeah, those all right. Okay.
So a nice little dog sitting here. Hey guy. Big dog right here. And this is the beautiful guest houses over here. So now we are going up this step. Nice palm trees. This is feeling so nice and cool, guys. Laid back. If you want peace and you want to get away from the hustle and the bustle, this is the place to be. Here we go, right here. Nice dining room. Wow, look how nice this look. We have nice table. A tropical. This is nice painting on the wall. Guys, you have to be here to see this. This is actually on top of the hill. And we have guest rooms up here. Eh?
I think that you want to go?
You can go up there? Eh? Okay, so guys, we're pretty much on the property. This is what we call the blue hole in Negril, in Brighton. Very peaceful and serene. So right now we're at the back. That's another guest house over there. So like I said, guys, if you want to get out of the hustle and the bustle, this is the place to be. Tucked away in the beautiful hills of Brighton, overlooking the Caribbean Sea. Look how beautiful that looks. So now we're heading on down from on top of the hill, going back down. And as you can see, this is your side view. And over here, we have a lot of fruit trees here. But take a look, that's a guinea tree right there. Even though we don't have any fruits on it yet, that's a guinea tree. And these are all trees, guys, that you can find in the outskirts. This is a big wango tree. I don't know what you call it in your country or your neck of the wood. What you call this? Eh? Oh yeah, this tree here. This tree grew some pod-like fruits that the goats and the cows love to eat. So guys, everything here is pretty much tropical. So we're back out to the road and we have beautiful flower roads. I will call these again, roads, right? I forgot what you call these. A road, I think roads. And this is a dirt bike. You can get on your dirt bike to explore the property. So you have all that luxury. See nice coconut trees. They are still young, need to grow some more and start bearing some nice coconuts. So guys, this is a nice little tour of the Blue Hole, the famous Blue Hole in Brighton. So this is like at the front here, and these are all, I think these are all guesses. So we're back here, we're exiting, and this is the Great Bob Marley again. So guys, so fisherman coming in, see? Coming in, I don't know if they caught any fish. I'm looking for some fish, fresh fish right out the sea. So that's an engine boat coming in. So let's see what happens. I don't know if they caught any fish. Look up it up. Look up, you see. Yeah, hold it. Alright. So guys, I'm in Brighton and I'm gonna show you guys some shellfish right here on copper. I'm gonna dig in the sun and show you what it looks like. And I'm gonna use this copper to make soup. So I'm gonna add fish.
Look behind you, Miss Ran. See crackle there.
So guys, take a look. This is what we're gonna do. So at this point, I'm gonna dig in the sand like this.
See some here?
See what we got guys. Alright. So what we got here is all these little shellfish. I'm just gonna wash it in the water, see? So you just dig in the sand and you find these little shellfish. These are the shellfishes, and we're gonna use these to make cockle. So I'm gonna just put it in my plastic bag here. So I have my plastic bag here, and we're gonna get say about half a pound or so. So once again, I'm gonna dig in the sand like this.
Put it.
See? Put it on. See, so they're all over here. They're all over here. And see what you got here. Oh my God, there's a lot of them.
All you have to do is use your foot,
So we're gonna just get them. See? They're all over here. We're just picking them off the sand. We call these cockle. Very good for your nerves. If you drink this every day, you're gonna have some very good functioning nervous system. See? See, they're all over. They just wash up the sand. Cockle. So I'm digging right now. I'm digging in the sand.
Can't pass it again.
See? All over. I'm just picking them up. So we're gonna continue to do this until we get a bunch where we can make a good pot of cockle soup. So cut it now. So look at it, guys. Nice. And there's a lot of people walking. Good. No. All right, guys. So, all right. So, guys, here we go. We are in Negril, Westmoreland, and I'm here with. Yeah, what's your name? What's your name?
You know, my name is Jabert.
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 Hi, Jabert. How are you?
Okay.
Right on the Negril sand. Right it.
If
Cockalopo.
you loves me or not, I wanna say to you, my love.
Guys, this is nice. I have a
I'm
singer here.
taking a walk on the Negril sand. I just meeting some people so sweet and so nice. That's a lovely Caribbean to be.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Listen, and if you urging up, you drink a jelly, you feel so nice and so sweet. Or you take a eat from the banana that the guy them selling on the beach. Eat a coconut, drink a jelly coconut. If you get thirsty or hungry, you can
White
find the
sand.
girls. Them lovely, so sweet. They from Nago, they from England, they from Caribbean, you see. From America, Germany, Switzerland, you can see. Take a walk up the beach, you can see. How
Yeah, man.
beautiful they look when they stretch out on the beach. And then I tell it to you, you're my princess, so nice and so sweet. You're a black African. I never forget this out of my head. Get that out of my mind. Get that out of my mind. You are so nice and so beautiful.
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh my God.
Respect.
And you know, where you from? Where you from?
Jamaica, you know, hear me accent, man.
Yeah, I know you're from Jamaica.
Uh-huh.
Come here, let me ask you. Last time on vibration.
So, guys, we just have, what's your name again?
Jabber.
Jabber just sang me something beautiful. 9 miles of white sand, Negril, Westmoreland. Yes, man. Respect.
You know so much art of love, you know?
Yeah, man.
You understand?
We're showing up on the beach and enjoy ourselves. See musician there.
Passing by at the wharf. I'm sitting here having some breakfast and look what is happening in Negril. Oh snap, this boat is just passing by with tourists up the beach. Nice. Nice escape, guys. OMG. I wish I was on this bird. Just take a day away from the hustle and the hustle. Find somewhere nice and relax. Settle your nerves. Get away from the stress. You deserve it.